Citroen relay, Peugeot Boxer, Fiat Ducato. Cabin filter location is right here, the center console. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 here, and 7 T25 I think is there. Take those out. All this piece comes out. Right, I'll come back when I've done that to show you further. Okay, once you've taken those out, this is a piece that's separate to that. You've just seen that. That's just dropped. Okay, and your filter is underneath here. Okay, so you need to take 1, 2 torx out to get to it. Okay. Okay, once you've opened it up, you need a 5.5mm socket to open those. One there and one there and there. Once you've taken them out, that's the tray that holds the air filter. I'll show you when I've taken it out. Right, so I've undone those 2 bolts, and then this one just pops out like this, and then the other filter is right. Oh my god, yeah, that's why you should change it. Right, it's only about, I don't know, 10-12 bolts, but look at the state of it. Look at the state of this one. So yeah, here's why you should change your cabin air filter. Alright, cheers guys.